Hello. Today I will be going over the planning, execution, and reflection of a high quality connection and appreciative communication. So first I'll start with the high quality connection that I consistently share. That seems to be with my younger sister. We have a high quality connection by listening to one another, sharing personal feelings, and good constructive feedback. This high quality connection has promoted trust and respectful engagement that brings value to the way that we view our high quality connection. One obstacle I had to overcome in the past with my younger sibling was showing more appreciation, letting it be known through my words and actions that I appreciate her/respect her help with any service she provides. Being thankful for the service and the time she spends performing them as well. Observations made were that through listening, giving someone else the spotlight or a chance to communicate can be effective, not only in conversation, but also in the process of forming high quality connections and appreciative communication. Giving undivided attention when someone else is communicating, also providing constructive criticism, showing someone that you appreciate their communication and the way that and what they have to say can help birth a better respectable engagement and higher quality connection. Outcomes I would hope to see come from better listening would be not only high quality connections, but also being able to retain more information that could be conducive in areas I wish to succeed in. Building more appreciative communication, allowing it to have a positively high input in the high quality connection that I have with my peers, adding to my respectful engagements, which could increase my own professionalism and increase the opportunities to grow and succeed in my life. Dealing with the execution phase, I approach the scenario by asking myself personally, how can I be more respectful and show more appreciation when making engagements? I hope to be valued by both parties as well as what benefits might come from appreciating/respecting someone else's time and requesting instead of expecting or demanding. Observations made from implementation of appreciative communication allowed me to think of someone else empathetically, wondering if things I say make them feel appreciated. Also, made me feel better on the inside knowing I can make someone feel respected and appreciated by the ways I choose to communicate with them. With my sister, I observed she was happy to perform the task requested, which was giving me a haircut. Because of the respectful engagement made through appreciative communication, another observation made was that she enjoyed the communication we shared during the haircut. I believe she felt appreciated due to the appreciative communication I shared before, during, and after the physical task of giving me a haircut. Through appreciative communication, you can build stronger, high-quality connections, allowing the value of your high-quality connection to rise by making a respectful engagement that shows you appreciate and respect someone and their time as well. I met my objective by allowing my sister to feel appreciated and respected by the task performed through my appreciative communication. Also, simple and respectful engagement, being more open to listening instead of being heard. Doing like my father always tells me, speaking to someone how I would like to be spoken to. I learned that high quality in the reflection phase, my apologies. I learned that high quality connection can build respect, also increase the way that you value and cherish relationships. I also learned that high quality connection can physically change or impact the way that both parties feel, leaving the experiment feeling not only more energetic, but also feeling respected, heard, and valuing the high quality connection that much more. In the future, I would use appreciative communication to show respect and build stronger engagements with people I already have high quality connections with. Also, with meeting new people, creating relationships based on appreciative communication, I would hope to see more conducive opportunities and pathways open, being utilitarian, I believe the approach of high quality connection compares to the feedback loop because for every action input, there is an output. For every action, there is a reaction, whether it may be productive or corrosive to the growth and continuum of a connection slash process. A connection can be of high quality from respectful engagement slash appreciative communication, also negative, worthless worthless from low quality toxic frequencies. High quality connection can be compared to appreciative inquiry by discovering the high quality connection and seeing the good in it. Also, having a vision or a dream of what that connection can bring and be useful for in the future, putting it to use. Designing the high quality connection with someone and figuring what what the ideal features of the connection should consist of is the design phase. Also learning how to sustain the high quality connection, keeping it empowered using some of its benefactors such as respectful engagement and appreciative communication is the destiny phase. High quality connection is this is a picture of a high quality connection. You got everybody coming together and they're all sharing ideas and they all got their hands on top of each other, and I believe it's a high quality connection because it brings people together. It promotes unity and not separation. So I saw this being good for a high quality connection. And corrosive connections are toxic. They're dead end, depression, worthless, valueless, fruitless, inutile. So I got the tree here. It's not producing any fruit. It's not going to be good to anybody. It might grow fruit one day, but for now it's not really a piece to anybody. And this couple here, they're having a corrosive. It seems to be something toxic. She's kind of like, "What's going on?" And he's just checking out. And oftentimes I believe that's what people will do when a connection is not high quality, but rather corrosive. It could be in your home life or a relationship or at work. You just start checking out. This man's on the bed. He's stressed out from just corrosive. A connection that's not conducive to anything that's high quality. That anything that's building a genuine relationship. Through appreciation and good communication. It's all corrosive and it's no good. This an appreciative communication, being genuine, listening, positiveness, and connections just flourishing as you can see in these pictures. The two people are sharing ideas and they might be appreciating each other and explaining to each other how they appreciate one another. And it's good for the relationship. You got a group of people down here and they're sharing ideas and they're all smiling and laughing and it seems as if they're appreciating each other and they're being genuine and they're being more positive and they're allowing listening and being heard to come into an effect and being able to share ideas as well, which has a lot to do with appreciative communication and the growth process of a high quality connection through respectful engagement going on. And that's my assignment. And I hope you appreciated everything I had to say. I really felt personally like through this assignment, there's a lot to be learned from respectful engagement and appreciative communication and high quality connections can start to grow and start to flourish. But it's all about from the planning to execution and reflection phase. I noticed it's all about seems to be manners, almost things that we should know, but taking a deeper look at manners in a way that we respect ourselves to respect others, the way we communicate with others and stuff, making more respectful engagements. And I hope you enjoyed my assignment. I enjoyed learning about this. I definitely feel like I'll be taking home, learning how to build higher quality connections with the way I communicate and showing more appreciative communication, being more genuine, being able to talk less in conversation and listen and learn, and just build onto my high quality connections. So thank you. I appreciate doing this. Have a good day.